Hey tribe, welcome back to my page. I'm here with yet another nutrition video. If you are new to my page, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I am unapologetically Rakita. I'm so glad you decided to join. And if you're an existing follower, hey girl, hey, thanks for being a part of the tribe. So I wanted to film this video because I discovered this super easy carne asada air fryer recipe. Here in sunny California, carne asada is one of the most popular meats when it comes to eating Mexican food. And you know, honestly, it's super easy to make. A lot of times you can throw it on the grill, but I thought it would be fun to try this fun air fryer recipe. So what makes a good carne asada? Well, let's see, it's all in the marinade. I did some extensive research to try and get the most authentic carne asada marinade recipe, and here's what I came up with. I used fresh lemons, fresh limes, fresh oranges, lime juice, orange juice, fresh cilantro, jalapenos, and I even used a variety of seasonings. The first thing you want to do is marinate your meat. Marination is key to getting that really good flavor. And so when you marinate your meat, you want to put it in something like a plastic container or a Ziploc bag for an extended amount of time. The minimum amount that I recommend that you marinate your meat is 2 hours, and the maximum is overnight. I did the maximum because I wanted my meat to be super tender, super juicy, and super flavorful. Once you've given that meat time to marinate, and like I said, I marinated mine overnight, all you do is take that bad boy out the refrigerator, you preheat your air fryer. So I'm cooking my carne asada on a temperature of 400 for about 10 minutes. So I set the timer for 15 to allow it to preheat for 5 minutes. Take the steak / carne asada meat and just literally throw it right into the air fryer, and that's it. The one thing that I will say is I wanted my carne asada to get that grilled look on there, and since I felt like the air fryer didn't give it that grilled look, so as you see, 5 minutes into cooking the carne asada, I rotate it, I'm looking at it, and I'm like, okay, I'm definitely not gonna get that air fried look that I want. So I went ahead and I let it finish the full 10 minutes. Then I pan seared it for about 60 seconds on each side. Number one, you don't want to overcook it. And number two, once the meat is done cooking, you have to let it rest. If you take the meat out of the fryer and literally cut into it, all the juices are going to spill out and you're going to have some dry meat. So who wants that? And yeah, like literally you take your meat, you slice it up, you slice it against the grain, because at the end of the day, that cut, that makes it for a more tender and juicy cut, and you eat it how you eat it. For me, I'll eat it with brown rice, I've eaten it with fresh tortillas. You literally could do carne asada fries if you know that's what you want, depending on your fitness goals. But yeah, you guys, definitely, I would say give this recipe a try because yeah, gotta get that protein in. We have reached the end of the video. If you guys decide to try out this carne asada recipe, please go ahead and tag me. And if there's any other recipes or tips or tricks that you guys want to hear, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Until next time, peace.